Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download for free Instagram Reels videos. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Let's scroll and let's say we want to download this video. Looks cool, right? So all you gotta do is to click on the three dots on the top right corner. Okay. Then I want you to hit the link button. You see there is a bunch of buttons on top, just click link. Now we just copy the link on our clipboard from this video. The second step is even easier. I want you to go on Google Chrome and look for this app. It's called Publer.io. When you click on the app, you want to come over here and you want to paste the link that we just copied. Then you click download. Let's see how long would it take for them to process the video. Boom, the video is ready. Two options over here guys. You can just click post. I haven't used this one, so if you really want to try it, give it a shot. I haven't tried. I cannot tell you what's going to happen. Maybe they're going to ask you to log in, but you can simply download the video over here. Why I choose this app? Well, this app has first of all no ads according to them, no watermarks, so whatever video you put there will be no watermarks, and they don't ask you to register or something. Okay, easy, simple. So this is how you can actually download Instagram Reels for free. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.